liquid gold. So what are we buying today?
We're gonna look to buy some beginner building and painting supplies because we got ahead of ourselves and bought the kits and we can't assemble them.
Yes, that's right. We did our workshop at a convention and we got so into it that we immediately bought 2 kits and yeah, nothing to build them with.
I'm gonna pick up a pair of side clippers and I've already got items at home to sand off the nibs. So for me, just the side cutters, and then for you,
I need some paints. I want to get a primer, some basic colors, the primary colors, because you can mix them, mix and match, make tertiary, secondary colors. Then I want to get a top coat as well to help protect. Some paint markers, and oh, the skewers.
yeah, I don't know what to call them. We just keep calling them skewers. The little like wooden skewers with the little clippers on
The
top.
clips to hold, so when I paint and they can dry, you don't have to touch them and hold them and stuff. So I didn't even know those existed until Smiley told me about it. So we're getting the basics to start. We have big goals, big dreams. But this, started from the bottom. Gotta start somewhere.
Started from the bottom, still on the bottom.
Still there. We will eventually work
We're
our way
trying.
up. Yes. It was 2 weeks ago that we built our tiny little first RX Gunpla. So we have 2 weeks worth of knowledge. So
Yeah, in those 2 weeks we've been doing some research, we've been building our streaming setup, we have all our social set up.
yeah, Smiley's the brains of the operation.
Ah, no!
And I'm here too.
Peanut's the artsy one, so Peanut initially went to college for
I went to college
for graphic design.
graphic design.
For artsy creative. She's always been much better than me when it comes to anything artsy. So she'll be doing the painting, she did the logos, the banners. She had the vision for our streams. Anything that is creative is all Peanut. I just do the paperwork.
You are so much type A and I am very type B. So we make a good team. Pound it. Nice. No, she
Oh yeah.
does things I could never do or I ever think of. So hopefully this works.
We make a good team.
We're gonna be streaming our builds on Twitch. Smiley's the builder. She's the planner. I'm the artiste, so that'll come a little bit later.
Visa, please. Do you want a bag? Yes, please.
We did it. We got our goodies.